Hi friends, today my topic is protease inhibitors. ம், போலாம். First நம்ம protease என்னன்னு பார்ப்போம். Protease is nothing but it's an enzyme that catalyzes proteolysis, breakdown of proteins into smaller polypeptides or small single amino acids, cleaving the peptide bonds within proteins by hydrolysis, a reaction where water break bonds, found in animals, plants, bacteria, archaea, and viruses. Involved in protein processing, regulation of protein function, apoptosis, viral pathogenesis, digestion, photosynthesis, and numerous other vital processes. ஸோ இந்த பக்கம் இருக்கிறது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது வந்து இதுதான் protein structure. Hydrolysis of peptide bond. Proteolytic hydrolysis involves the addition of a water molecule to break the carbonyl carbon nitrogen single bond connecting individual amino acids. Next வந்து protease classification. Protease generally வந்து ரெண்டு classification இருக்கு. ஒன்று வந்து endopeptidases and exopeptidases based on cleavage. Endopeptidases cleave bonds within the protein and are usually very specific for particular amino acid sequence. Exopeptidases cleave a single amino acid from the terminus of a protein and are less specific towards the amino acid that is being cleaved. Exopeptidases classified as those that cleave only from the C terminus. Carboxypeptidases only from the N terminus. Aminopeptidases are both termini. Dipeptidases. Proteases classified into 7 broad groups based on catalytic residue. Serine proteases using a serine alcohol. Cysteine proteases using a cysteine thiol. Uh, Theronine proteases using a theronine secondary alcohol. Aspartic proteases using a aspartate carboxylic acid. Glutamic proteases using a glutamate carboxylic acid. Metalloproteases using a metal, usually zinc. Asparagine peptide lyases using an asparagine. Next, protease inhibitors. Protease inhibitors molecules that block the activity of proteases and typically function on classes of proteases with similar mechanism of action. Proteases, protease inhibitors can either be in the form of proteins, peptides, or small molecules. Naturally occurring proteases inhibitors are usually proteins or peptides. Protease inhibitors used in experimental studies or drug development are often synthetic peptide like or small molecules. Many different protease inhibitors are commercially available to use experimentally in both vitro or vivo assays and during protein purification. 3 different commercially available protease inhibitors. PMSF is a small molecule, E64 is a peptide-like molecule, and proteinin is a small protein. Next, mechanism of protease inhibition. Protease inhibitors can be classified by the type of proteases. They inhibit the mechanism by which they inhibit those enzymes. Understanding the various mechanisms by which inhibitors function is essential for comprehensive understanding of inhibition and for developing protease inhibitors as a therapeutic strategy. Reversible inhibitors usually bind to the protease with multiple non-covalent interactions without any change to the inhibitor itself. These inhibitors can be removed by dilution or dialysis. Reversible inhibitors, competitive inhibitors, uncompetitive inhibitors, and non-competitive inhibitors. ஸோ இந்த ரிவர்சிபிள் இன்ஹிபிட்டர்ஸ் வந்து மொத்தம் 3 இருக்கு. அதில் வந்து நம்ம முதல்ல பார்க்க போகிறது காம்படிட்டிவ் இன்ஹிபிட்டர்ஸ். Competitive inhibitor binds to active site of protease, competing with substrates for access to the active site residues. One example of a competitive inhibitor is aproteinin, which inhibits many serine proteases. Uncompetitive inhibitors bind to the protease only when it is already attached to the substrate. Uncompetitive inhibitors have been identified for HIV1 protease and the NS2B, NS3 proteinase of the West Nile virus. Non-competitive inhibitors bind to the protease with similar affinities regardless of the presence of bond substrate. These molecules inhibit protease activity through an allosteric mechanism. BBI, a trypsin inhibitor from soybeans, and aminoglycosides. Inhibitors of anthrax lethal factor protease are examples of an non-competitive inhibitors. Irreversible inhibitors function by specifically altering the active site of its specific target protease, often through the covalent bond formation. They can be more appropriately called inactivators. Upon binding to the inhibitor, the protease active site is altered and it can no longer perform peptide bond hydrolysis. Suicide inhibitors, typically analogs of the substrate, are irreversible inhibitors that covalently bind to proteases. An example of a suicide protease inhibitor is the serpine family of proteins, which play a role in blood coagulation and inflammation. Commercially protease inhibitors. இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கமர்ஷியல் protease inhibitors, AEDSF, எஃபாபயக், செரைன் proteases. ரிவர்சிபிலிட்டி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது irreversible. இதோட அட்வான்டேஜ் அண்ட் டிஸ்அட்வான்டேஜ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கேன் covalently modify some amino acids residues with a 183 DA AEDS group, leading to problems with mass spectrometry and gel electrophoresis. Very stable in aqueous solutions compared to most other serine proteases inhibitors. Very low toxicity and can be used in cell culture or animals in vivo. Aprotinine, serine proteases, reversibility பார்த்தீங்கன்னா reversible, can be stick to some dialysis tubing and column matrices with a low ionic strength, can be fluorescently labeled without affecting its inhibitory, inhibitory, inhibitory activity, disassociates from protease at pH less than 3 or pH more than 10. Bestatin, some aminopeptidases, reversible, low stability in aqueous solutions. E64, cysteine proteases, irreversible, can be coupled to a matrix for affinity purification of cysteine proteases. Very soluble in aqueous solutions, high specificity, the mix does not affect other cysteine residues. Cell permeable and low toxicity makes it useful for vivo studies. EDTA, இது ஆக்சுவலாக நம்ம ரெகுலராக யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். இது நம்ம பெட் சிபிசி சம் பெட் கவுண்ட்காக இந்த டியூப் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். இடிடிஏ இதில் வந்து என்ன இன்ஹிபிட் பண்ணுறோம்னா மெட்டலோ ப்ரோட்டியசஸ். இதோட ரிவர்சிபிலிட்டி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரிவர்சிபிள், நாட் கம்பேட்டபிள் வித் immobilized metal affinity chromatography, not compatible with two-dimensional jet electrophoresis, very soluble and stable in aqueous solutions. That's all. Thank you.